how to claim your $30 XM bonus. So here's how it works. Once you create an XM account or sign into one, you will be asked to open a real account. So here you want to choose MetaTrader type and also choose your account type. I'm just going to leave it as it is, and then I will click on continue. Now you want to set the leverage, base currency, and the account name. And again, I'm just going to click on continue. And I need to set a password for this. So let me just do that real quick. And I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so once you do this, then you will have registered for a real account here. And if we refresh, it's going to take you to the real account. And basically what you have to do is, I'm going to skip this for now. Your documents need clarification. So if you upload documents and verify your identity, then you will be eligible for the $30 bonus. So that's basically how it works. You will need to verify your identity, your account's identity here. And once you verify it, then you will be able to get the bonus. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.